Religion is based on tradition and history, while spirituality is based on science and humanity. In religion, you already believe in truth and act like a student, while in spirituality, you are in search of truth and act like a seeker. Hello my spiritual friends, in this video we are going to discuss the difference between religion and spirituality. So let's discuss. Friends, suppose you are having your favorite coffee in your favorite coffee shop. Once you are done with that last sip of coffee, you will keep that coffee mug aside, right? Now think for a while, is it that coffee which was refreshing you or that coffee mug which was refreshing you? And I'm pretty sure that your answer is the coffee which was refreshing and not the coffee mug. After finishing your coffee, you'll keep that coffee mug aside. You will not consume that coffee mug because you know what will happen if you consume that coffee mug. Friends, the same difference is between your religion and spirituality. Spirituality is your coffee while religion is your coffee mug. Once you get the essence of spirituality, you must keep aside your religion. But unfortunately, few people think it's the religion which is refreshing them. They think that it is the coffee mug which is refreshing them. And these are the same people who are causing menace all over the world. Anyway, this was my small and superficial try to let you understand the difference between religion and spirituality. Now let's move ahead and see the four main critical differences between these two, religion and spirituality. So let's discuss. Difference number 1. Religion is based on certain narrative, certain scriptures, customs and rituals, while spirituality is based on humanity and science, where basic human values like love, compassion, empathy and gratitude flourishes. Difference number 2. In religion, you already believe in truth and act like a student, while in spirituality, you are in search of truth and act like a seeker. Difference number 3. Religion is external and temporary form of joy where you go to temples, mosques or churches to find God or to do your rituals. While spirituality is internal and eternal form of joy where you go inwards to find God or to find truth. Difference number 4. Religion will make you monocentric and will give you a narrow-minded way to live your life, while spirituality will make you cosmocentric and will give you a broad-minded way to live your life. So friends, tonight before you go to bed, ask yourself a question. Am I a religious person or am I a spiritual person? Let me know your answer in the comment section tomorrow. This is your spiritual friend Aniruddha signing off for today. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and I will see you in my next video.